Hello. I really want some chicken fried rice.
Do I?
This is going to be a terrible format for this video.
Yep. All I can see are my boobs. Boobs.
I can't turn it.
What do you mean?
Like if I did this in the video.
Oh, no,
it's
you
fucked
done
up.
goof.
Yeah, done goof.
Oh,
I can't.
God, turn it back.
Okay. Well, that was fun.
You had to tweet it.
I had to tweet it.
I want chicken fried rice.
It's not true unless I tweet it. So, Billy, what did we do last night?
Sleep.
We watched Glee, and we watched The X Factor, and then Billy spent the night.
This bed's a California king.
And so it's like having like a mini continent.
I don't
between
really
us.
know why she's sitting right next to me, because there's a good 12 feet
Like,
on the other
there's
side
still
of her.
like that much left of bed.
And there's still 12 feet below us.
And yeah, it's like the biggest bed in the world.
She still managed to kick me, though.
Oh.
Still managed. One time, though.
Just one time. Anyway, I think we should go get some chicken fried rice.
We should.
Chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice.
Alright. Goodbye, YouTubes.
Bye, YouTube.
Ah!